Okay, I know there was nothing there, but I'm busy obviously riding with one hand. So here's the beachfront. Oh, just as I'm going to figure out something here. Here's the beachfront of Port Nolloth. Okay, gotta make a quick plan. So I asked the guy at the attendant. He said, no, sometimes actually people live here. There's nothing much. It's fisheries. All people live here and then work in Alexander Bay. Either commute daily or weekly. So that's crayfish or then deep sea fishery going on. So I've got to just figure a way to kind of put this in my pocket or something, or clip it, or maybe that clip thing that I've got that clip mount. I've got that clip mount that I bought, Bulldog clip mount, which might be a good interim plan. Alright, I'm gonna have to just put this down. I'll turn it the other way, a little bit more interesting. Let me stop and look rather than, okay, hier gaat ons. Okay, so going back where I came from. I'll go past the crutch on the left. I was over there. Hop up first gear. Holy moly, did you even look, Oak? Did you even fucking look? Look that way. You know, did half the job. So is het die stadscentrum van Port Nolloth. Restaurant, dat is baie goed. Route iewers. Kom Piet. Oh. Oh. Very mirror falling. Okay, so Becky and Harry. I'm gonna let him pass. Well, I might kinda end this. I guess that's Port Nolloth. Had a nice young guy, Jody, come and chat to me at the garage. He's got a little Vespa. Moved up from Cape Town because he doesn't like all the hectic life down there and the crime and everything. Loves the small town stuff. Good for him. Alright, so it's I think it's 90 k's to Steinkopf, which is the junction of the N7. And then right turn, and that's another 50 k's to Springbok. Hier gaan ek afteken. Oh.